Hello students, previous classes we started our chapter relations and functions. First we are discussing about relations. Before going to relations, we discussed what is Cartesian product and what is order templates. Also solve some problems based upon Cartesian product. Let us solve some problem based on order triplet first. So today's first problem. Suppose our given is set A, that is minus 1 1, set containing two elements minus 1 1, and you have to find order triplet, that is A cross A cross A. So how to get this? So A cross A, it is equal to see the elements are here minus 1 1, minus 1 1 into minus 1 1. So how to get this? Order triplet is again a set of ordered triplets. So first consider the first element of the first set, that is minus 1. Let us fix this element. Then go to the first element of the second set, that is minus 1. Then go to the first element of third set, that is minus 1. So one order triplet we get, that is minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. Similarly these two elements let us fix and go to the minus 1 minus 1, and then second element of the last set. Similarly you can find here minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 1, then come to here minus 1. Here this set second element, that is 1, here first element, then minus 1, second element, then here third set second element. So now come to your first set second element, that is 1, this is minus 1, this is minus 1, then 1 minus 1 1, 1 minus 1 1, next is 1 1 minus 1, 1 1 minus 1, then 1 1 1. So like this you get your order triplets for this set. So next after this problem, let us solve another problem. Second problem 2. What is given here? You are given three sets. Set A containing elements 1 2, set B containing elements 1 2 3 4, set C containing elements 5 6. You have to prove. What you will prove? You have to prove taking these sets, and sorry, another set also D given. So I forgot to write, now writing D set. Elements are 5 6 7 8. So you have to prove first A Cartesian product of set A with B intersection C, it is same as Cartesian product of A with B, Cartesian product of A with B intersection Cartesian product of A with C, A with C. So first start LHS. Your LHS is your A Cartesian product of A with B intersection C. So first you have to write your A Cartesian product of A with B intersection C, that is A set 1 2. Cartesian product B intersection C. Find out the intersection of B with C. What are the common elements in both sets? Is there any common element in B and C? No, there are no common elements in B and C. That is, a B intersection is your phi. And also we discussed while discussing Cartesian product in the definition that the Cartesian product of a set set with empty set, that is result will be empty set. So A cross B intersection C is your empty set. Now let us find out this right hand side RHS. Your RHS is A cross B, Cartesian product of AB. First find Cartesian product of AB. So this is your 1 2, and next B is your 1 2 3 4. So what will be this? This will be again a set of elements, 1 with these elements, 2 with these elements. So 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4. Another is 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4. 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4. So this is your Cartesian product AB. Similarly, you can find the Cartesian product of A and C, A with C. So Cartesian product of A with C, it will be 1 2 5 6. So that will be 1 with 5, first order pair, 1 with 6, second order pair. It is again a set. So 2 with 5, another order pair, third order pair. Then last one is 2 with 6. Now next you have to find Cartesian product of AB intersection Cartesian product AC. Now see from this two set, what are the common elements? Is there any common element? If there exists any common element, write down 1 5. Here 1 5 present? No. 1 6 here is present? No. 2 5 is not present here. 2 6 also not present here. So what we will write here? We can write Cartesian product of our RHS, that was your Cartesian product of A with B intersection Cartesian product of A with C. So here we found that is there is no common element between these two sets. So LHS, previously we found our LHS empty set. Now RHS is also empty set. Therefore both are equal. Hence LHS is equal to RHS. Proved. Next problem 3. Let us solve our third problem. Our third problem is you are given two sets. Suppose set A containing two elements 1 2, and set B containing two elements, that is 3 4. Question is your to find A cross B. To find A cross B. Your first bit to find A cross B. Then so let us find first A cross B, Cartesian product of AB. So what will be this? First set A, first element, let us write here 1 2, Cartesian product set B, that is 3 4. So this will be one first element of the first set, then first element of the second set, 1 3, first order pair. Then first element of the first set, second element of second set, that is second order pair. Similarly, second element with second element of first set and first element of first set, that is 2 3. Then similarly 2 4. So this is your Cartesian product of, this is again a set. So start with curly bracket and end with curly bracket. This A cross B you calculated now. Then after finding A cross B, your next question is your find the subsets of A cross B. Find the subset. You have to find a subset of this. So to find subset of this Cartesian product of two set A. So you know Cartesian product of two set is a set, so you can find its subsets. So in general, a empty set is a subset of every set. Phi is a subset of every set. You know. Now similarly, 1 3, the ordered pair 1 3, set containing the ordered pair 1 3. Similarly, set containing the ordered pair 1 4. Then set containing the order pair 2 3. Then similarly 2 4. So these are the null set containing no elements, and this is a set, all these are this one, this set containing single elements. Then set containing 2 elements, then set containing 3 elements, then 4 elements will find. Two elements, so you can type 1 3 1 4. Next subset is 1 3 1 4. Then 1 3 2 3. This is a set. 1 3 1 3 2 3. This is also a subset of 2. Now we are finding subsets of 2 element. Then 1 3 with 2 4. Similarly, you can find 1 4 2 3. Set containing these 2 elements, these 2 ordered pair. Then 1 4 2 4. And finally 2 3 2 4. Two, 3, 2 4. Now set subsets you find containing 3 elements. So this one, so you can write three elements. So what are the set containing? You have to find now the subsets containing 3 elements. So what are those? 1 3 1 4 2 3. Another will be similarly from that A cross B you find out 1 3 1 4 2 4. One 4 2 3 2 4. So these are the next another subset containing 3 elements, that is 1 3 2 3 2 4. So these are, we are finding the set containing 3 ordered pairs. After that 4 elements, set subset containing 4 elements, that is nothing but your A cross B itself. So these are all the subsets of your Cartesian product of two sets. After third problem, next fourth problem. So here you have to find, given two sets A and B. Question is your given two sets A and B such that number of elements of set A is 3 and number of elements of set B is 2. You have to find, and also given, sorry, another thing also given, Cartesian product of these two sets are given here. As per the question, it is x1 y2, z1. So this one, these are given data. Two sets are given. Number of elements of set A means 3 elements are there in set A, 2 elements are there in set B, and Cartesian product is not given. Cartesian product of two sets A and B, it is given like this. So what you have to find? You have to find your set A and set B. So how to find? To find A set and B set. So let us find your A set first. A set is nothing but in each ordered pair the first element. The first element of each ordered pair, that is your set A. That is x, y, z. Then now as per the questions, there are 3 elements here. It is 3 elements. And the set B is your each ordered pair the second elements. So that is, here it is 1, then 2, here again 1. So in a set the elements are not repeated, only once we will write, as you know previously while we are discussing the chapter set. So the set B containing 2 elements, that is 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 1 will not write again. So see here, number of elements of B here 2. So this is your set A and this is your set B. Thank you.